Hello, my name's James. A lot of talk today about Photoshop's beta Generative Fill Function, which launched today. I'm just going to show you now how to use it in case you had the misfortune of losing a top hat in a wrestling match. What we're going to do here is we're going to use the lasso tool to draw the shape of a top hat round his smug face, just like that, like a pro. And then we're going to hit the Generative Fill button and we're going to put wearing a top hat as our prompt. We'll wait for it to generate, and what Photoshop will do is it will give us a selection of top hats for Charles to wear. Quite a stylish one there, a white one there. If you like one, like I like the little one, you can click on generate again and it'll give you 3 options based on your choice. I like the original one, and it will save that as a non-destructive layer on your image. Charles Crowley, top hat, Photoshop beta, Generative Fill.